As a proven technique used extensively throughout the manufacturing industry for joining plastics, metals, and other materials together, ultrasonic welding can be a great substitute for traditional joining methods like glue, screws, and fasteners. Among its advantages, ultrasonic welding provides high-strength hermetic seals without consumables required, is highly energy efficient, and has a short cycle time, all of which can contribute to sustainability goals. Ultrasonic welding uses high-frequency mechanical vibrations to join two pieces of material together by initially applying pressure, then introducing ultrasonic vibrations to create friction between the two surfaces. Energy directors concentrate the stress at the tip and augment friction. This friction generates heat and uniformly melts the materials to create a clean, strong weld. This begins when power is given to the converter, which converts high-frequency electric signals to high-frequency mechanical vibration. The booster amplifies or reduces the frequency of the mechanical vibration as the horn applies high-frequency mechanical vibration to the material. To ensure accuracy, a custom-designed fixture is used to hold the piece in place during the welding process, as the actuator moves the ultrasonic stack and applies pressure at a controlled distance to ensure part tolerances are precisely met. Commonly used across vast applications, ultrasonic welding provides an array of benefits that are well suited for manual benchtop or fully automated mass production. Emerson's principal solution features a stack assembly that incorporates each of the components necessary to produce a firm, dependable hold, including a converter, booster, and horn. Working together, they can melt down, mix, and mold together different pieces, solidifying into one product. Emerson provides one of the fastest-known ultrasonic welding techniques available on the market, repeatedly delivering consistent, precise welds at the staggering speed of every 0.08 to 0.2 seconds. Ultrasonic technology provides many practical advantages that can be utilized across a wide variety of applications, like staking, degating, insertion, and cutting. Emerson's ultrasonic welding solution is a fast, efficient, and cost-effective method for joining materials together. Our team of application consultants and engineers can help you find the best ultrasonic solution to meet your most demanding requirements. For more information, visit our website.